Hello, everyone. I'm Craig Harrison. After reading chapters 1 and 2 of the Information Systems for Business and Beyond by Borges, I found an article that strongly supported the concepts discussed in his textbook. The article is Information Technology and Organizational Performance, an Integrative Model of IT Business Value by Melville, Kramer, and Gerbaksani. One of the main ideas from chapter 1 is that information systems is more than just computers or software. Borges explains that information systems include technology, people, processes, and data working together to help organizations achieve their goals. This was an important point because many people think information systems are only about technology. The article supports this idea by explaining that businesses do not gain value from technology investments alone. Just because they have investments in computers, mainframes, etc., does not make the value of the company any better. Instead, technology must be combined with effective business processes and knowledgeable employees that improve the performance of the business. Chapter 2 focused on the hardware, and the hardware serves as the physical foundation of an information system or platform. Hardware includes the computers, servers, storage devices, networking equipment, and all of these allow organizations to collect, process, and store information. The article that I read reinforces the importance of these technology resources, but it also points out that simply purchasing new hardware does not guarantee success. Organizations, again, must use these resources strategically and align them with business objectives. What I found most interesting is the connection between technology and organizational performance. A prior class I took, we discussed very much about organizational strategy and behaviors. And I think when you're looking at an organizational performance, the behaviors and the investments and the strategic goals of the organization have to all align, and you have to have the proper equipment, technology to support that. The textbook and the article both emphasize that technology should be viewed as a strategic asset rather than just a tool. Companies that effectively integrate technology with their people and processes are more likely to improve efficiency, make better decisions, and achieve competitive advantages. Overall, the article helped deepen my understanding of the concepts presented in chapters 1 and 2. It also showed me that successful information systems require more than hardware and software. They depend on how organizations use the technology to support their goals and create value. The company that I work for is a manufacturing company. We produce labels and shrink sleeves for the beverage markets, and we have a couple different technologies that we're using, as well as an enterprise platform ERP system that I'll talk more about and refer to on further future discussions. But I can tell you from my experience, the ability for us to, my company, for us to have technology that not only supports the employees from a human resource standpoint. We use a product, for example, called Paylocity, which has all of our employment information. It has training. It has expenses that we can submit. It has all of the data that you need from a human resource standpoint, from benefits, et cetera. And then we also have our business technologies that run our machines and tell us what kind of output we're getting, help us create our pricing models, help us track jobs through our facility, to bill them, et cetera. And again, as we move forward in this class, I will be discussing some of the real life situations that I'm using today and that my company uses for both hardware, software, and overall information systems that we have within the organization. So I look forward to hearing your thoughts on the role of information systems in businesses. And thank you for listening to this.